So very good morning from the basement print shop. Here we are. This one got lazy because I got a little annoyed with him yesterday after losing too much adhesion. Today's print we'll try with 210 degrees extruder and 70 degrees centigrade for the print bed, and hope we'll get a better adhesion. So let's fire this one up. Until this one is done, we have our small part here. So yesterday I got fed up with the printing farm a little, so we'll start this one here. Last print took only 14 minutes, and we'll just print another one. I think it said 3. We are here, over there. So 6 will be printed. I'll print them one by one and be a little down jogging into the basement and up to the apartment again. So let's fire this one up here. Bring the SD card. We got 11 hours 60 minutes for our housing part. K-factor set. Bed is heating 33 degrees, and we got 18 degrees from our goal of 70 degrees. And then we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you all in the loop. And as always, happy printing to everybody, and good day.